Getting a dancehall artist in with J Father.
Don't call my father.
Oh, forget you hate that, right?
Don't call my father.
Yeah, I deal with my father. Yo, that's been the weirdest like change in.
Crooks with a shame. Your father with a
Absolutely.
distraught.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Hell no. Nah, call no man father. Call one man daddy, you know.
Straight.
One man never call daddy. Dale Elliott Senior. Big up yourself anywhere there.
Yeah, man.
Smoking right now, high like a kite. Me
man.
ask Christ.
Facts.
Welcome to Dale Elliott TV, where the voice is loud and the reason is raw.
Sealer.
Clot. Yeah, man, where the voice is loud and the reason is raw. I am your host, Dale Elliott, and I am here with my good friend, Mr. Crooks.
Bad up. Big up all massive crew. You don't know.
Yeah, man, and we're there in the place, you know?
It's a first show for the new year.
First show for the New Year's.
See there? Salute.
You know? Happy New Year's.
To all.
If your New Year not happy yet, just go and work on it. It soon get happier.
And work on it. See, you give some tips and tricks on how to get the benefits of the new year, you know?
How to start the New Year.
Yeah, man. So, figure out that.
Yeah, we start. You know, so far, I've been very consistent on the YouTube thing. I'm tell myself, say, yo, New Year I come, I'm not gonna loaf out my YouTube this year.
Straight. But see, oh yeah, I'm not really get to talk to you since the special drop. The special drop.
The special is very special.
Yeah, man. Watch about 4 times.
Special dog. Like people actually like love it. Like
Dog, it's legit. It's like, all right. It reminds me, I'm like a huge stand-up comedy fan. Like I watch whole heap of comedians. So it reminds me of like, it's the, you know when you watch a comedian before them get big, before them become like, because when comedians get to like a certain level after a while, it's like them have to kind of conform to certain things. I feel like, but you know when you get that pure, authentic moment where you're like
before
yo,
them polish.
you know what I mean? Where you're like, yo, this about to be something, you know, like you know what I mean? It was. I felt that moment.
Well, that.
Yeah, man.
Yes,
yeah,
that was very good. You know,
fantastic job.
Funny enough, that was my last show.
Yeah.
Out of the tour.
Okay. How many cities you did again?
12.
Wow.
But we did do multiple other shows.
Yeah.
So out of the tour, that was my last show. And the day of that show there, me go Zara. And I say, yo, I'm going to buy something when I have no brand. Because I'm going to make sure I say, that show here.
I'm really glad that you did that. I'm really glad that you did that.
Something when I branded.
Yeah.
I make sure I say, that show here, whoever come at that show here, I go left and say, yo, all right, that youth here. Can we do that for all of my show them, you know? But because of the last one, that show made it probably more nervous than every other show.
Wow. So why nervous at the last show?
Because it's like you constantly do shows, show after show. Yo, some of the show them is like, when are the next one? When are the next one?
So this being the last one is like...
And then when you have things by your mind, because a lot of people, me say it at the show, say it's self-funded. So every show, me I think about how much tickets me need to sell. If people are going to come at the show. Me as a man will like learn cities. So me normally there are the cities them before. So me can put together a set. If I even like 1 10-minute part where I just...
You can talk about being
the city
here.
alone. So me did I work that night and me I said, Jano, they are Orlando. Me I said, yo, me not really have a next one. This is the last one for the year.
So it's like you have to make this one kind of special in a way.
So me I said, all right, me go change up all my dress and you know.
So how has the response been? Like how do you feel about it as
me? I am so good at stand-up comedy.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
No, we not go. Me wouldn't put it like that.
Yeah.
Me genuinely love comedy. Me love comedy, and I eat my want to do for the rest of my life. Me always manage if I can do comedy. when I was a tracks man, me was a joker. When me used in my class, I was a class clown. Like, making people laugh is something that me just love that.
I feel that.
Me love that.
I feel that.
So, me will always give me heart and me dedicate my time into like learning it.
Yeah.
Cause me no want, it's not, me never want it to be something like, yo, is a buzz or me did really care about it and say, yo, brother, this is my baby and me need to make this right. So,
I feel that.
Doing it over again.
Yeah, you were able to like refine it.
I'm gonna refine it enough yet. But me not worry about it.
Yeah.
Because my comedy is more of experiences.
Yeah.
So me have to like live something. Cause me tell it from a different place when me did actually did it.
Okay.
So me I set up properly though.
I feel that.
In terms of where I want to be, how me I gonna get there, you know?
Are you planning our next tour for this year?
What?
Come on, look at me like, what?
Brother. That should even be in that of course.
No, I say, yo, that already set up, but just not announced it yet, you know?
That gonna happen. That's happening. Like,
okay.
Like London.
Okay. London, look out. London, if you're in the chat, leave a comment right now.
London. Toronto. Montreal.
Yep. Leave some comments. Boss, I got there. You see me?
But it all take planning.
Yeah.
Because, you know, me kind of unorthodox. Because I start realizing that really and truly my youth, nobody gives you anything.
You have to invest in yourself, man.
And no opportunity now could just come.
Yeah.
See him some look on comedy.
Yeah.
Comedy, me love it. Like, me love it, dog. Like, me love it. If they in front of people and make people laugh, me love it. Me want to learn it. Me watch it. You know, me watch like, I watch comedy from my little pitney.
Who would you say are like some of your top comedians?
My top comedians, Kevin Hart, Cat Williams, Eddie Griffin.
I feel like people sleep on Eddie Griffin, dog. Eddie Griffin is really good.
Really good. But Kevin Hart, Cat Williams, Eddie Griffin.
Okay.
I watched Dave Chappelle, but in terms of getting the laugh, him go about it a different way.
Yeah.
But for me personally, the way I do my comedy, I watch all of them. And is a fusion of all. Because, for instance, me's a family man.
Yeah.
And watching Kevin Hart and see how Kevin Hart depicting family.
That's like very inspiring.
And I can be like, wait, of course my uncle mad and me can talk about him. Of course my girlfriend crazy sometime, me can talk about her. Like, of course my grandmother thief the meat out of the church. Like, you know, like, we did see that.
Yeah.
Me can tell that joke there.
Yeah.
So, me get my experience from that.
So all of you'd say your jokes especially are like very personal.
Very personal. Because me feel like me have to like live it. Because and then the thing is, the older you get, you have to keep on and have more and more experiences to make it remain personal.
True.
So Cat Williams tell a lot of jokes about where him see.
Facts.
And places where him go. Me do that too. Me can say, yo, Cat Williams inspire me to tell jokes like that. Like the joke when me have when me say, yo, buy the beef here cause it grass fed.
Yeah.
I say, yo, where the other cow them I eat? Like Cat Williams asks
those questions.
The chicken wing shortage.
Yeah, how is there a wing
Why
shortage?
is there a wing shortage and there's other chickens?
Yeah, but you don't have a thigh shortage or a breast shortage.
Exactly. So, and when Cat Williams go to cities them, him give jokes specifically to the cities them.
Yeah. Yeah. I see the but I watched not just, but I just watched the interview with my dad the other day. I want to ask you something about that. Cat spoke a lot about, long story short, like joke stealing.
Mm-hmm.
How you feel about that? Like, cause I'm sure you're aware, but there's a couple people that was like kind of surfing your wave, so to speak. You know what I mean? There's a lot of people that like legit just like stole mad content from you.
But it not really have to be my wave.
Yeah. But it was your wave though. Like, okay, I don't want to load him up still, but there was one guy in particular that, like, once you drop a video, bro.
That was just voiceovers.
Yeah, but still, it's not like, okay, what's stopping you from using voiceovers? Why do you not use voiceovers for some of your like social media stuff?
There is voiceovers. Me probably have done it before, but me, I just like to do stuff for synonymous to me. But the Jamaican culture, all I will live it.
Yeah.
So it's hard to say a man thief what you do. Because all the way, like if you realize people find my parent videos so relatable.
Because it's like we all have the same parent. Yep.
So me can't necessarily say a man a thief. That joke there. So that's why I say really and truly the joke thieving thing.
Yeah.
As it relates to that, me can't bash nobody.
Yeah.
Because me sure me have a video was similar to another man video.
True.
And him probably I say, me thief him joke.
Yeah. Me
probably never see him joke yet.
Just live the same kind of life
But me just live the same kind of life. So me would have never just jump up and say, I'm a thief. A joke. But the greatest thing is imitation is one of the greatest compliments.
True. This is very true. But I feel like after a certain while, it goes from being a compliment, like, okay, let's see how I'm gonna word it. Complimenting too many times becomes annoying.
There's
right?
Too much compliment.
Yeah, too much compliment is like, okay, bro, like, you know, have nothing else. You know?
Yeah, but in terms, dog, if me not hold nobody and do nothing for nobody, and me not know what kind of work people are putting.
True.
You know, the background. True. Because like what people don't know, my parent videos are when I am at my most laziest. When we make mother video, it's really because I know it at work.
Yeah.
And me can't bother.
It's like, I'm just like go
throw something together because I know it at work.
It's like, I cook dinner anyway, we're going to talk about that curry chicken.
So I just talk about this because this is what my grandmother would say and this is what my grandmother would do. And the thing is because I live it.
Yeah.
It come off so natural. Me scroll through TikTok already and like see a video and find it hilarious. And get an idea from that video.
And then just inspired from that. But then that wouldn't... But you're not copying it though.
Yeah. For instance, there's a video one time when I scroll through TikTok and I say a brother take up a brother think he must say something like, like you and your neighbor in a like dance or clash. And him play like a song. And me say, oh, yo, you know what would that cool? I go take up my speaker and I go walk to the door and I go play, hello, bad mind. Good morning.
Yes. Yeah.
And that was a big video for me.
Yeah.
If somebody inspire me to do that.
True.
Me videos, for instance, my father is a mechanic. Me make mechanic videos.
Yeah.
But I don't remember that youth name, but me that definitely give him the credit for it. There's a youth on TikTok. He have like a chip teeth. And me watch him do mechanic videos already. I mean, I say, oh, brother, this hilarious, you know. Me can do this. Me, you know.
Kind of start.
Get my father clothes and like mock exactly what my father would have do.
Yeah.
No, me wouldn't, like, that wouldn't be something, I wouldn't look at, oh, yo, you thief.
Yeah, that's not thieving, but inspiration is for sure there.
Yeah, like, brother, if you want to learn and if you want to develop, you have to watch other people, not like follow them.
Yeah.
But you have to see, like, all right, oh, this is gonna work. But you're not copying a man. You know, like for me not think me ever copy a man before. If a man say me copy him, I must like coincidence.
Yeah, I feel like a lot of your content is very like.
But and that's the thing. A lot of Jamaican content is similar.
Yeah.
So it's hard when a man say, "Yo,
but not like, I don't know. Here what. I don't feel like because me and you are bridging, but I don't know, dog. I wouldn't say a lot of it is similar. I wouldn't say a lot of it is similar, dog, because I would say a lot of us have the same shared experiences.
Yeah.
And you have a very good way of presenting and portraying those shared experiences, right? But I don't know, dog. I mean, you're not like dressing up in costumes and dancing on TikTok. You know what I mean? It's like that's what I see. You know what I mean? Like, I wouldn't say you're all doing the same thing.
Me that disagree with you. Because Mr. Bean don't talk.
Mr. Bean does not talk.
That's a comedy.
True. Yeah, but they're not doing what you do though.
It don't matter.
It's different. So I think if somebody was to accuse you of stealing a joke, it would be a stretch. Because low key, I don't really see anybody else in your lane like that.
Yeah, but and this are that's why these are the problem with like Jamaican people. Some of the time with we find something when nothing is there.
Yeah.
Like we fully go look for something when nothing there. Like me there right just so me I do my thing. The dog there over there so them I do for them thing. All the way I coexist.
Yeah.
How me make people laugh is might not necessarily how they make people laugh.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, people are laugh.
True.
So maybe if I try to do what other people do, it no work for me.
True.
Or maybe if them try do what me do, it no work for them.
That's fact still.
So, but in terms of entertainment, entertainment is entertainment.
Facts.
However somebody laugh or whatever you are do to get the people them attention, and it working, I think that in itself is perfectly fine. Yeah,
I love that.
As long as it's where do you love it, you just continue do it, create a lane for yourself, and clean up your thing, and you will survive.
Facts.
Branding is everything.
Facts. Branding is absolutely everything.
Exactly. So
you know what I mean? True.
If you say something like, I think you are over here, so me not over there, so because me can take up my phone and call him.
No, I wouldn't say. I wouldn't say you are. I wouldn't say you're separate from them. I would just say that your content is different. I think. You know what I mean?
And that is fine.
That is perfect. So I just said that to say I wouldn't say that you're all doing the same thing. You know what I mean? Like,
we're all entertaining.
You're all entertaining people, but entertaining people in different ways. You know, and I think you're exploring a pathway that not a lot of Jamaicans have explored.
And if it don't work, it don't work.
If it don't work, it don't work. You know,
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But you know, creating a new pathway is also very good.
Yeah, create a new opportunity. So and when in exploring a new pathway, you have to have a tunnel vision.
Facts.
In which you know, I don't notice what other people doing. Because I'm so focused by what me need to do.
Yeah.
What me want to accomplish. You know what I'm with it? So me watch video, laugh, move on, just like everybody else.
Yep.
You know, but in terms of how am I making money or whatever I'm doing? It literally not have to do with me.
Can't knock it. Absolutely cannot knock it.
Literally have to do with me. And some of the time I the people them cause that. Me hate that.
Yeah.
Like for instance, me hear that a man that says something like there's a whole world on TikTok where me not fully immersed in a TikTok world.
Yeah.
But me have brethren here.
Yeah.
We're there. And them a make money off of TikTok.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Them a go live, you know, them a play a match, them a make money, and that's a them job.
Yeah.
Every day.
Them have a schedule
and
for
they
that.
pay them.
Yeah.
Jamaica is the only place where all of a sudden I beg people I beg.
Facts.
That's stupid.
Facts. That is facts. True.
That's absolutely stupid.
Everybody else is an influencer, but when it comes to Jamaica, I beg people.
That is absolutely stupid. Like, if me say, oh, people, you know, thanks, give me a super thanks, respect. All super thanks are appreciated.
Yeah.
Mr. Bisa get super thanks and Mr. Bisa damn near billionaire.
Yeah, you know, see my give people sight and give people leg and all kind of stuff.
So if we there at work, cause this is our job.
Yeah.
This is my job.
Yeah.
Me I do this for 10 years.
Facts.
Me I do this for 10 years. So if somebody will say, oh, somebody I give you $10, $5, however much money people I give you.
I donate. Them don't have to give you.
For your entertainment.
True.
The notion that is begging, that disgusting to me.
It's very slimy.
That low.
Yeah.
That's on bad mind.
That's what it is really, you know.
Why you couldn't do it?
That's what it is. It's a situation where it's one of them crab in a barrel kind of mentality. There.
And I don't like it.
Yeah.
Me not like it at all. Because me feel like if I go up on TikTok right now and people are giving me super thanks or me don't know what them call it.
Yeah.
But if it's money.
Yeah.
It's money, it's time, is a platform where me develop for so long and me put me heart and my soul in it and people appreciate it now and pay me for it.
Yeah. I mean, especially nowadays, people time and their money very important to them.
Brother, we was doing all of them things here for free.
Fully free.
Brother, when me I cut up myself and I jump off a wall and brother, I tie up made with green towel, grandmother put me out our house.
Yep.
Like, me did I do that for free.
So imagine you could have.
So if people exactly.
Yeah.
So them give us 6 seconds for entertain people.
Fine.
Them give us 6 seconds for entertain people.
Yeah.
People are get entertained. We do it for free. Them give us 15 seconds for entertain people. We extend, we do it for free. Them give us a minute for entertain people. We still do it for free. Them give us live. We still do it for free. So if them feel like say, oh, okay, now the market has developed enough where you can use them people here advertise things.
Yeah.
People actively go and see these people every day and now they're being paid. Why is it a problem? Because when I jump off a wall with cutlass in my hand and I cut up my foot,
people don't.
When I dress up like garbage man and all of them things there, it was for free.
Yeah.
So why now if me I get paid?
It's a problem. People don't respect entertainers, bro. People don't respect entertainers. I think a lot of people sleep on how talented you have to be to entertain people as a career. It's not a simple thing, you know. Bro, people see me as a DJ and think it's a simple thing, you know.
If you just DJ.
If you just DJ, you know. 20 years me a DJ, you know, John.
If you just DJ.
Yeah, man, I just play a song.
Just to put some song together.
I just play a song, you know what I mean? It's like, you don't know what I'm going to go through for find them song, yeah? For create some of them song, yeah? For no say, all right, this song played after this song would actually increase your mood.
And guess what? You see, because them look upon what you do as so simple because them their work every day. And people are shout off at them.
Yep.
And them a get upset. And them feel away. And me I go just hate you.
Yeah.
That is all me see now.
Yeah. I'm going to transfer my negative day onto you because here you are begging for money on TikTok.
Brother. When me basically full in a YouTube now. When me just start YouTube, somebody said to me, say, why me I ask for so much subscribers if me broke? That's ridiculous to me, na dog.
It's like, what am I supposed to do?
Like me I try build something.
Yeah.
But that's why there will always be people with something negative.
But them don't know. They don't know what goes into you building a YouTube channel.
Brother, at $300 for that mic, $300 for that mic, 120, 120, 700, 2,500 for that camera there, 2,500 for that camera there, $240 for that for that light there, $150 for that light there. I buy this at Lowe's somewhere. Fridge back at me. All that equipment. The microphone the pan top. More than $5,000 in a things that right so.
Yeah. Yep.
If me want to spin pa my head right so me I do it.
So yo, you for subscribe for that. Like what
so subscribe.
Me never ask for subscription away you talk about.
Subscripts me.
Subscripts the thing, man. Subscripts the thing and stuff.
It's just always a downside.
Yeah.
Fun fact. IT and Fancy Cat.
Yeah.
At 18 years old.
Yeah.
Gave me the first opportunity to perform stand-up comedy.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
IT and Fancy Cat.
I remember when I seen that they were doing like stand-up comedy shows and I was like, yo, that is really good because I feel like Jamaicans need for tapping in Panda Market.
This was 2015.
Wow.
IT and Fancy Cat carry me. It was Pretty Boy Floyd was the host and they made me do 10 minutes. And then pay me $10,000.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Get $10,000. Brother, me a 18.
You never feel like you're on top of the world, bro?
Me a 18, brother. Me a 8. That's why for the Florida show, me carry my green towel with me got the performance.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Yes. We want to look a shot, want to look a shots, I want to look a shot, me look maga.
Yeah.
Locks, like twist up in my head. Me lock small, boss. So.
Judge.
And them say, yo, comedian versus like Instagram or something. It was something like that. Me, Dirty Berry. And it was him and like the rest of him Pretty Boy Fly, you know, Fancy Cat, IT. But me remember how like nervous me was. But the funny thing is, nobody never give me the opportunity there.
Facts.
So it start from this. It start from when IT and Fancy Cat give me the opportunity. They go, do the 10 minutes.
I mean, it's great that you're fully like utilizing this experience now too. Like you took that and you're like, yo, I can do this.
I mean, I say, yo, me can. But the thing is, I always believe me could have do stand up because me just you put 5 people around me.
Yeah.
You're going to laugh, you know. Even when me upset, people laugh.
Yeah. Yep.
So, me know like, yo, this would have work. Because that me know me have too much story.
Yeah.
Like me live too much things if you can tell. So it's like, oh gosh. And then me come and foreign, come see more things.
A bag of extra things. And now it's like, oh yeah, me can talk about all of this.
me I say, wow, me can't talk about me. I'll never do a change the name them.
Yeah. Facts.
I'll never do a change the name and it work.
Foreign will get a whole other experience. Like, I think the more you see more of the world, it just like I feel like every time you see more of the world, it just changes
everything.
Everything about your perspective immediately.
It changes your perspective about a lot of things. But also it show if you is a man of integrity. It show if you is a man of your word. It show if you is a man who have boundaries.
Yeah.
When you see everything. California we live.
Oh, yeah, man.
Yeah.
If you're not sharp, you know. If you're not sharp.
California we live.
Yeah.
So
you'll see everything.
Watch out right now. Make tomorrow a year say they'll blow up. Wicked.
Yep.
Netflix special. What you think about my Jamaica gonna say?
You know, so them boy them on Epstein listening.
Yeah, they're gonna say all kind of something. Yeah, when it's just hard work.
Yeah, man, Hollywood them man there, you know, so you know, so them man they get involved in a whole heap of something. And it,
boy,
that. The man actor from long time, you know, them
yeah,
man,
them
actor boy
they,
the dog.
Yeah, man, me see man slap them man upon them bottom. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, of course it was. So you mean, them man,
you know, brother, you know what a man said to me?
Oh.
After me shoot Sprinter and the thing up on Netflix and the thing I go on good in a dog. A dog said to me, say, they're Florida, I'm going to one party.
Yeah.
And him didn't even know say me did vex. Man, see me in a party, yeah, the man, yeah, man. Who that Sprinter? Yeah, man, me see man a blow kiss off here in a Sprinter. My nigga Hollywood gonna make man blow kiss off here, you know. So tell me now, what me if you do if a man blow kiss off of me?
No, man, you have to shoot him.
Yeah. Yeah.
I shoot him with that.
Yeah. Like, not kiss me, no.
No.
Blow it.
Blow one after
So
you.
me supposed to know.
Yeah, man, you have just done him.
Defender.
You see what I said? Yeah, they're going to play them games that dog, you mean? Mash up the whole place. That you're supposed to do.
Brother, one of the weirdest stories them were happened to me. One time at Hollywood. Mm-hmm. I'm there LA already.
Yeah.
And somebody invite me out.
Yeah.
And them say, yo, come to the Abbey.
I'm sorry, bro.
All right. So you know, so the story I set up already. The story I set up already.
Dog. All right, don't forget you. Somebody invited me to the Abbey once. And I pulled up outside. Right? I pulled up outside. And when I looked inside, I was like, oh, no, me not going to this. No.
So I was invited to the Abbey.
Yes.
Beard. Put on my clothes.
Yeah, man. Touch the road.
Say me I got the Abbey.
Is a girl invite me, you know, that vex me, you know.
It's a girl invite me to the Abbey. Got the Abbey. Walk in. Me see man in a jeans. Man in a tongue.
Yep.
People are serve, whatever.
Yeah, man, and the man at on the bar. Like,
yeah, man. Yep. X-rated man thing I play upon the TV. Them in the screens, them. And brother, me mature way beyond my means.
Yeah, man. Same time.
No, in terms of like, but don't care about that no more.
Yeah.
It have nothing to do with me.
Yeah.
When I was there, brother, it's like me need to get out of here. Me need to leave. Me reach and me just hear them, you know?
Big up.
Big up. Cause I remember like them people, like when we did there,
yeah.
You know I make a bad impression on people because at the end of the day, culturally, I know that girl today. That girl, you know.
Yeah.
Is her friends there and them say, oh, we must come. I'm there with my virgin.
Yeah.
No. Even if I was uncomfortable there,
yeah,
that is their space. I went into their space.
True.
And
True.
I have the decision to leave their space. Some just, yo, mad.
Big up.
Man, you know, me never did I go stay long.
Yeah.
I wasn't going to be here that long, you know, but it's nice to meet you guys, you know.
Yeah.
And me just left.
Yeah.
When me in a my car, dog, me realize, yo, you deal. You come a far way.
Babylon you there now, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You're really matured, you know what I mean? Yeah.
People now have no idea how LA is or whatever.
No, they have zero clue. I remember I went to a party. My first house party in LA, right? It was one of the neighbors, right? And going to the house. Everybody there everybody's chilling, right? And there's a big spread of food on the counter. You walk in, the counter is on your left right here, and there's mad food on the table, right? Nobody's eating the food though. Nobody's eating the food. I'm like, all right. I walk in, and it's every conversation you have, somebody's offering you some kind of drugs
some drugs.
Yeah, man, some drug. White, being offered white is normal to me now. People offer every kind of drugs at LA.
Every drugs, wherever exists.
Yeah, man, you can.
There.
It's here, and people will share it with you if you're interested. You know
and some of the time, these are normal people.
Yeah.
You don't see it coming.
So here's the trippy part, right? Here's the trippy part about California to me. I don't know if you ever experienced
Hollywood.
Hollywood. I mean, a lot of California is like that.
Yeah.
But Hollywood especially though. I don't know if this ever happened to you though, but I remember I go. It was an after party. A house party with one of my brethren them, right? One of my dog them, right? I'm going on the party and bag of white people there, right? Everybody cool. The brother we run it is a chef kind of character. Him cook food and things. So it's the food boom and thing. Once again, nobody not eating the food, right? And then I start realizing, when I go party and say whole heap of food and nobody not eat the food, I kind of have it in my brain now say, everybody depend drugs. Right?
Yeah.
So I go in, I'm in them easy. I never have no herb on me. I'm in the water smoke, right? With the outside. So about 4 away in one circle. And I see one of the man them have a cigarette. No, I don't normally smoke cigarette, right?
Mm-hmm.
But yes, I'm not no weed on me or nothing. I know I beg nobody no special. Say, get one of your cigarette them. Him open the cigarette patch, right? And it's I see him like him a pick out a specific cigarette for give me. So when him take it out, he's like, oh yeah, that's you. I'm like,
make sure so the one where y'all get no season.
So now that's literally what he was doing. He's like, no man, all of the other ones them wet. I said, what do you mean them wet? I said, yeah man, cause I'm sprinkle, I put it in my cigarette. I was like, oh no, never mind, bro. I'm good, my G. Bro, from that, I don't smoke cigarette.
But guess what? Yeah. It is so normal.
It is not. It is absolute, bro. Everybody were in there, somebody, Everybody were in there who no own restaurant and who no assistant director on this and who's not the marketing director for this. Everybody in there, somebody, I know some scabby people may talk about it,
It's never them type of people there.
It never is.
It will never be.
So it's if you know fully mature in your brain, you will start pre-people. You know what I mean?
If so much people didn't even know me live in Hollywood.
Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Living in Hollywood is not what people think.
No, not at all.
Opportunities don't grow up on tree here. Is a every man for themselves place. Is a dog eat dog place. But what I can tell you about Hollywood is that people here work hard.
Oh, absolutely.
And if you survive here, there's nowhere in America.
Yeah, man. Not stop you.
Where you cannot survive because it's not easy here.
No.
Me know people when we move here would live on Skid Row.
Yeah.
Right now.
Yep. Yep.
Just go down that part there.
Bro, when I'm bridging them RIP, when I'm bridging them dead from overdosing, bro. Hollywood life catch him, And the dog I just jugs the man upon it, bro. And I'm like, damn, bro, I really want you fix yourself. And that end up take him out.
And him just never get to the point when him fix himself.
Him just never fix himself. It's like, it became a thing where, it becomes a thing where if you not sound in yourself, you're not firm in yourself, it become a thing where everything else will guide you. If you don't have a plan, everybody else have a plan for you.
That is literally LA.
Literally LA.
Literally LA. You don't come here with a plan.
Yeah, man.
We will make a plan for you.
Yeah, man. Everybody else have a plan for you. No?
Everybody have a plan for you. Everybody I go find a way how them can use you.
Yep.
And the biggest thing with LA is when you live here, not all that glitters is gold.
No.
Not everybody who says they are this and that, them can give you this opportunity and that is false. I believe that.
Oh, absolutely. Because if you can call all of their bluffs on it.
9 times out of 10.
Yeah, 9 times out of 10 you can always, oh yeah, sure. Okay, so let me get your number. Me shout it tomorrow, make we arrange that.
No opportunity in LA is real after 10 o'clock.
Facts. Big facts.
After 10 o'clock, there is no real opportunities. The places that these people believe these opportunities are, they're not.
No.
But what we know LA Reward is LA Reward hard work.
Absolutely.
The hardest workers here
determination
will make it. Like,
that is facts.
Like, because hard people will work hard sittings.
Yeah.
It feed your eye them. LA like Miami.
Yeah.
You see all the way you want in front of you. So it make you know say it's possible.
Yeah, like you can do it if you do these things or do something similar to this work as hard as this person.
Yeah.
It's achievable.
Yeah, but when people talk about things like sell soul, me not necessarily feel like that real.
I don't know about Illuminati thing. I feel like
the sell soul thing, I don't know.
Here are. I mean, I think the sell soul thing is kind of more. To me, selling your soul is abandoning your morals, right? And there's people that do that.
Abandoning morals.
Yeah.
I would say
so if you decided that, yo, certain things me not do, right? Certain things me not do. Hollywood go test that boundary there. Right? If you decide say, yo, dog, my business is what I want to say now. I know me is an actor and thing.
Nah, we're in a wig.
Nah, we're in a wig. I nah kiss no man. None of that now go on in no dog. And then when somebody come and say, yo, dog, we have a part for you. We have a movie that come up. We're going to pay you 35 million. Now, do you stand on business?
For the what?
Or do you go, dog, I mean, I not for like him, though. People do that. You have people that do that. And that is selling your soul. Cause, you know, last week you'd never do it. Now there's a monetary value to it. And now it's like, is it that bad? Is it that serious? You know what I mean? Like, who go cuss me about it? Me have defense, you know what I mean? I have everybody about, you know, like, I just do my job. I pursue my dream. You can't.
All right. You see, when you word it like that,
yeah.
Like for instance, me as an actor.
Yeah.
I want to do more movies.
Yeah.
Do I have boundaries? Definitely have boundaries. The boundaries are for there.
Yep.
Cause I don't know. And certain things me have to just.
but that is the thing now. So to me, if you were to say, all right, these are my boundaries.
But there are things and situations that I would be in now.
Yeah.
That I wouldn't have done at 15.
Oh, absolutely. Same. Bro, there's parties there's people that I'm friends with now that I wouldn't be friends with. Like
friendship.
Yeah, some
simple thing like friend.
Simple thing like friendship.
Can we ever break it down like honestly?
Yeah.
You know, growing up in Jamaica, we culturally raised if say certain things wrong.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have to say why. We know what we're talking about.
Yeah.
Me and some of them people that right now are good friend.
Yeah.
As in, we not share meal, or we not like, we're not like, yo, every day we are par, but like me meet them and me I say, yo, that person here is a good person.
Yeah. Like,
you know, Wayma do not have nothing to do with me,
like
Shea do not have nothing to do with me, but that person is a good person.
He's a good person. This person's helped me do certain things.
Exactly.
Like, he's helped a bag of people do certain things. It's like, yo, I can't knock that.
Exactly, but growing up, my culture in such a way to say, yo, that wrong or that stupid or, you know?
Yeah.
But when we get older, I say, yo, now you talk, him not bad.
Yeah.
She not bad.
Yeah.
You know, she not, them not bring where them are, you know, them not bring it to me. Like I can know, I am not like that, no, me not say that as not no more.
Yeah.
Like if you are gonna do that, just do that and me just alright over here, so.
Yeah. Yeah. Like,
Me alright in me confident in myself and in my sexuality and everything.
Yeah.
Me good over here, so.
Yeah.
Like where you are doing in your life,
that not
supposed to offend me.
That
like
that not affect me.
Me not supposed to take that up on my head. I swear to God. And
like,
and if another man feel like that him want to do, and if that him have to do for boss or whatever, for get to where him want to go.
By all means.
By all means, go on, G.
Do your thing, bro.
Me can't help. Just,
me not help you know, but yo.
But if that you do that for do,
yeah.
Me now go sit down and don't seminar get where me want to be.
Yeah.
Cause this is how me hate to people, you know. Seminar get to where me want to be in a life.
Yeah.
And me see somebody get there. Me nah go be the one we sit down and say, yeah man, because
I mean you should have did it, you know.
Because them man they did willing to do this, make them no.
And you know, here's the thing.
That's a strong piece of bad mind.
It's a strong bad mind, but maybe they were. But we all need to look in ourselves and go, were you willing to do that? Sometimes you aren't.
And if you weren't, that's fine.
That's perfectly fine.
But me now gonna see somebody in a them success or in a them glory and feel like say, yo, because them did willing to do something what me wouldn't do, and them make it, me must feel like bad mind.
Try to smile up them thing. But see, here's the thing now. Here's the only time that I kind of judge, right? If you made it a point that this was your line. Right?
When you write the line,
you made the line, you know. You draw a line in the sand and say, yo, me will do anything except them something here. You see when somebody come to you and put a price on them something there, and then all of a sudden you consider it, or all of a sudden you do it because, I mean, me never gonna do it, but dog say 50 million, you know.
Where you put a price for cut your hair right now?
Okay, so a price?
Yeah.
So couple years ago, I was hit up to do a makeover show, right? They wanted to like style me and everything. And they said I would have to cut my hair. And I told them no. Right? At the time, I was very like, nah. I mean, to me, no, I'm not really business.
How much money them did I pay you?
They wasn't paying me nothing.
Absolutely not.
Absolutely not.
Yeah.
It's like just for a makeover. No,
throw that out there. Throw that out there.
But no fair price for cut my hair. It's not even that. I don't really care about it that much. I want to cut my hair low key.
Me too.
Yeah.
Me too.
I low key kind of want to cut my hair.
But I'm a branding, you know.
Yeah, and that is what kind of holds it for me too. It's like I know that I've built this brand for a time, and people kind of recognize me as this character.
For me to cut my hair, it would have to be a certain amount of money that I don't see myself making in the next 3 to 5 years.
That's what I'm thinking too. Like
if 100 grand can't get me to cut me hair, I pass this up. Like
no,
100 grand, no.
No.
You diss me.
Yeah, that's right. 100 grand, you kind of just like 100 grand to me feel like test me for see.
Like,
you know what I mean?
A boy have a price.
You know what I mean? That's what that feels like to me. Yeah, that would have to be. For me to cut my hair right now, it would have to be enough to like, I don't have to appear anywhere for the next 3 years. Okay, here's what I do.
I would cut my hair for the benefit of my career.
Would I?
And the benefit of exponential. So for like, if a role come right now, where seasonal, where I know that I am cementing myself into, me I cut it.
Yeah, that wouldn't be.
But you know why? Me is not a Rasta man.
Yeah.
Me no have no like value to me here. You know, so that there's a price. For me here.
Yeah.
There's not a price.
Yeah,
pan,
like
there's not a price pan.
True.
There's no. Absolutely not.
So for me, it's like I find a price for me to cut my hair just inherently sounds offensive to me. You know, like something about it feels threatening. Like even though I would cut my hair myself, right?
But once them say, "Yo, me will pay your ex,"
I'll pay you to do this. Like it feels. But no. It makes me almost defiant. Like
if me I do a role right now, and them say, in order for you to get X, you have to cut your hair.
Yeah,
I would try to put a clause where I get more money.
Oh, absolutely.
Because I cut me hair.
Yeah,
but a high profile enough role will get me to cut my hair. Make sure to subscribe and Crooks sit there over here telling them about where we need to do or wherever. But
yeah, man, subscribes.
Don't even subscripts way.
Facts.
Subscripts way.
And share. Like, share. You see me? Hit the bell buttons.
Like, share.
Do all the things. I don't know for
like, share, chicken and beer.
Yeah, man. I know they're on YouTube now. I don't know for the buy.
Yeah, man. I don't get used to me now. You Facts. Know, nice to come on the night. You know, share up the thing and make everybody see it. I go on
Facts. You know
all right, we're out of here now. Big up on yourself. The vice was real and the reason it was raw.
Mad.